Hello everybody and welcome to this quick knowledge group video where we're going to walk you through how to access some of the content recently purchased through our brand new site. So as you can see, we're signing up for a live event that's coming up soon, and after seeing the processing order screen, you'll be redirected to the original webcast page that you were on before. The main difference here, there'll be two new buttons on screen, one of which being the green Join Live Webcast button. Now you can click that to open up our webcast portal, be able to listen to your live broadcast, and typically we open up the webcast portal about 15 minutes before the scheduled go live time. Just a quick note, even if you did join early, you wouldn't be able to hear anything until we do start the broadcast at the scheduled time. Now if you have purchased an on-demand webcast or registered for an on-demand webcast, you will see all the information on how to start the recording on screen there. There's another button there as well, that yellow button to go back to see all of the webcast details. So if you wanted to go back and familiarize yourself with the speakers, synopsis, all of that information, you'll be able to do so. We'll walk through that in a bit more detail, but what I wanted to show you first was just how to access a webcast when you do leave the site and come back. So it's all well and good, you want to watch the webcast straight away, but what happens if you sign up to a webcast in advance? Well, in order to do that, we made this as easy as possible. There's a little option there, My Webcasts and Help. And when you hover over that, you can see My Webcasts and Plans on screen there. And there's a little picture of a rocket ship there. And once you've clicked that, you'll be greeted with a table that'll show you all of the recent purchases that you've made, be that individual webcasts, be it bundles, or even one of our many plans that we've got. All of that information will be there. Now, in order to access the webcast, you just need to click the image or click the text and you'll be directed to the webcast page itself. You'll see those green buttons on screen to either listen live or to listen to the on-demand version, and you'll also see that yellow button to see the webcast details as well. So when we quickly click that, you'll be dropped back to the screen to see the speakers, synopsis, and all of that stuff that I mentioned before. But what you will also see on the left-hand side of your screen is a handy little menu there where you're able to access these bits and pieces at a glance. So if you did want to jump straight to the agenda, you wanted to jump straight to the slides, what have you, you've got the scope to be able to do that. Rather handily as well, there's a little option with a little star next to it to view all of your webcasts, and again, that'll pull up all previous purchases. So if you did want to drill into another webcast, you're more than able to do so there. Of course, there's the Join Live Webcast button too, and when you click that, you'll be redirected to the screen where you can press that Join Live Webcast button as you see on screen there. There is also a handy way of seeing all the webcasts from that screen found under the webcast details button. So if you were to click that, it would take you back to that table to be able to see the content. Now, that's how to access things very quickly. If you did need something a little bit more in depth, you can use the My Account drop-down that you'll see in the blue banner at the top of your screen. To use both this live webcasts and help and to use the My Account function, you will need to be logged in. But the My Account function is a great way to see a little bit more detail in terms of recent purchases, recent registrations, and what have you. You'll be able to see receipts, certificates of attendance, and more information about your various plans, subscriptions, or bundles, and even individual webcasts to boot. So we hope you found this video useful. All of the information is there. We do have a 24/7 ticketing service if you did want to raise a support ticket and ask for some help. Alternatively, you can use the live chat service found on the website in the bottom right-hand corner. You can also contact us via email anytime. info@theknowledgegroup.org is the email address that you need, and we look forward to seeing you at your next Knowledge Group webcast, whenever that may be. And until that time, take care